Hello everyone, welcome back to Punlok Engineering channel. Today I'm very glad that I have the time for make a video that connecting with the electrical engineering knowledge for sharing to everyone to understand and make sure about the electrical device, how is it function running and how much of the price, everything that I can support all of you. So before we go into the video or lesson, please subscribe or like my page official Punlok Engineer page, please Punlok for get more notification and get a lot of knowledge from me. Okay, today I would like to review about the lesson or title about the amplifier sensor or micro detector sensor. This one I call it micro detector sensor because this one is used with the true beam sensor. I mean the true beam sensor, that the sensor that work with the one pair, one transmitter and one more is receiver. This one is have the power signal, out signal, and the support leg I mean the support function, and ONC high and low gain. So this one is volume for the sensitivity of the sensor running or signal detector from a thing that running in front of the sensor that working two beam like two beam one pair. Yes, and this point is a signal of the stability. I mean someone is use it with the stability for make the running smooth. Yes, if we see more about this here is the diagram of connecting from the microcontroller detector sensor, and we have the code and we have the diagram. This one is the number 2 and number 10 is input from the DC current from the voltage is 24 VDC and Emax is 80 milliampere report to VPP max. Here the connection from this one connection from the true beam sensor that we use from the one pair. In Khmer, I mean the sensor that we use that ប្រើសម្រាប់គូគឺដំណើរការក្នុងលក្ខណៈថាវាចាប់គូគឺវាប្រើឆ្វេងនិងស្ដាំឧទាហរណ៍ថាវាមានក្នុងហិចគឺវាប្រើសម្រាប់ចាប់ធម្មតា. Yes, in Khmer and in how by English we use the true beam sensor for one pair that have right and left used for transmitter and receiver. For something running across the sensor, it will send a signal to the input of the PLC, send input to something like the PLC board, the microcontroller, everything that we can get a volume from that by the monitor, anything. Yes, and the input of the plus in the current is brown. We use brown color get into the number 5, and the blue color get into the 7, and the shield of the receiver is synchronized with the number 7, and the number 6 is the current is a plus. And also we can use the relay outputs. Yes, it means the add more function for synchronize, like you can use the transistor and you can add more support of relay. We can use from the 4 and C to 1 C or C to 4. We can use it for the normally close, and we use the normally open from 1 to 3. When the emitter detector a thing and then the receiver get the value, the NC starting exchange to NO, and then the NO exchange to NC. Yes, and you will see more the menu. I will show you. Yes, this one is UOS rear control unit for miniaturized sensor that has the detail of the sensor series UO amplifier unit and the core monitoring and A, something like that. You can learn from here. I will show you. And supply voltage is like this. We see it. And here is the technical specification of the device that you install: operation voltage, frequency report, voltage tolerance, no load supply current, operation output like an ONC relay, alarm outputs, NO. We can take the alarm output from the NO. We can use it for control the light, control the alarm, control the something like that. And mark of voltage, LED indicator, everything we have. And here is the mean of the diagram for the connection. You will see that it looks like a relay, you know, hammer relay. Yeah, this one 3 and 4 is an ONC, and one is the C that connected with the ONC. We can use it for the main power into it. Yes, and we can use the diagram. We can read it, and then you can use it. Where is the cable running? Where is the cable go to where? Anything you can learn from the menu guideline. I just only show about the menu guideline to all of you. Yes, only that. And this one I will order if someone need to buy or need to use anything. And right now I'm staying in the Cambodia country. I will also make a project and please you someone to make a PLC controller like any function that the customer need me to build a PLC, build any circuit, build any something like that. And I have also sell some device like VFC, PLC, second hand, anything. So I will detail more on the next video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe and share Punlok Engineer. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you next video. Everyone. Bye bye.